I had some questions about why did I enter pre-earnings here on ZETA, and that's a good question because I very rarely do this. I don't even remember the last time I did this, but yeah, let me go through my thought process. First of all, this pink box, I believe is the same as this one. So it's in the middle of this leg. Finally, a trading range always evolves to a trend, and a trend always evolves to a range, and then a range evolves to a trend, right? So I figured this range is long enough now to start trending again. That's the main reason. The other reason was if earnings were mediocre, if you go, if the earnings are mediocre up here, you're gonna sell off strongly. If they're mediocre up here, it's gonna be bought up. It may even be here. You may even have bad earnings and it's still going up, and here you may have good earnings still going down. So I figured this thing is just ready to trend. That even some moderate earnings would already push the price up. So I thought the probability was slightly higher than 50% that we were going to see an upward, and I say slightly because yeah, you don't know it with earnings. It's very hard to predict. You can predict the earnings, but then the outcome, the market reaction, that's it's almost impossible. But sometimes there is like a 55% chance, or maybe a 60% chance that it's going in one direction. You'll never have more than 60. Don't get me wrong on that. But then I just decided to place my stop all the way up here. And if you study previous earnings, yeah, it's very unlikely that this thing is going to get stopped out. So I believe options predicted a 10% move or so, and well, that would be about not even halfway, right? So the odds of surviving is pretty significant, even if in earnings pops the wrong way. Well, we did actually small, and then we reversed up. So yeah, I'm just trading this context, this pink box that is ready to break out, and I just thought that this was an exception to trade a pre-earnings event. So I did it very small, not taking any risks, and yeah. So I hope it makes sense. I hope it makes sense, and if it still does not make sense, just let me know. I will reply in every question, and if it was useful, please also let me know. Okay, talk to you later.